I forgot to take video of putting the components on some of the boards, so I'll do this as a slideshow with a voiceover. This first image is what the layout of under the bed is going to look like. Today we're going to look at the front panel. That front panel has the Lynx shunt, Lynx distributor, Orion 2412, a couple of solar charge controllers, and this solar shut off. The first thing I did was cut the board to size and test fit it into the box. I then got out all of the components from their individual boxes and laid them out on the board to see how they would fit. I didn't get pictures of actually mounting the components, but what I did was measure them, make sure the spacing was correct, marked them, drilled holes, installed T-nuts from the backside, and then bolted them in place. At every step of the process, I would go out, test fit the box, make sure everything was fitting before I moved on to the next step. You can probably notice my first mistake. When I was wiring up that first solar charge controller, I cut the wires too short to reach the right-hand switch, so I had to move them to the left. I continued wiring the disconnect switches to the solar charge controllers, to the Lynx distributor, and then this is what it looks like when we laid it out. You can see that I had to put a curlicue into the chassis ground for the components. It's the only way I could really get it to fit nicely and look somewhat decent. This last picture is from the video where I've installed all these items into the box. Thank you for watching. In the future, I will try and take more video of each individual step so I don't have to do these type of videos to catch everyone up.